Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see data analytics. We will see the definition of data analytics, its benefits and the domains where the data analytics is used. So we will start with the definition of data analytics. What is data analytics? So here it is the data analytics definition. Data analytics refers to process of extracting trends, patterns, examining and analyzing raw data sets to extract valuable insights. So in simple terms to say, it's a gathering information from various source, patterns and trends to draw conclusions. So here example, the data analytics helps the business optimize its performance. With the big data, we will extract the information from the what are the trends used and the patterns, and we examine the data to get some information from it. So example, we have a big data, collecting the data from the different source, cleaning the data and identifying the what are the patterns and trends are used. Once it's the data is clean and identify the patterns and trends, so we can make the decision or make predictions for the or we can forecast for the valuable insights. So this is the definition of data analytics. So now we will see what are the benefits of data analytics. So the first is the cost reduction. What is the cost reduction? Cost reduction is a plan to cut expenses in order to improve profits or cash flow. So it means it is a process used by the companies to reduce the cost and increase the profit depending upon the company's services and products. So the strategies also may vary as per the company's services or the what are the products they are producing. So next is efficiency. It improves the efficiency. It is like making the best uses of the resource what we have. Next comes is the improve customer experience. Customer experience in any case to avoid customers having to contact customer services. So it helps in the cost reduction and efficient increase in the efficiency. So customers should not call the customer services for the multiple times. So next is the data visualization. Data visualization, we need the data visualization because a visualization summary of information make it easy to identify patterns and trends rather than looking into thousands of rows. So last comes to the decision making. Once we do data visualization, it is easy to make decisions. So this is how the data analytics helps in the business improvement. So next we see the what are the domains where data analytics is. There are a number of domains where data analytics is used. These are the some examples like e-commerce businesses, health and care, retail industries, entertainment and media, in education, in government organizations, in financial services. In the number of domains are there where data analytics is used. So for today we have these topics: data analytics, its definition, its benefits and domains where data analytics is used. I hope this video helps you to understand what is the data analytics. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.